I would like to quote the example of Delhi, where we had blue line buses, red line buses, and now we have beautiful Marco Polo buses. But the number of deaths now have doubled. So technology itself is not the solution. You may have the best of the equipment, you may have a lot of IT, but that does not give you the solution. How you adapt this technology and what you deliver, that is really what matters. And Indians, I think, historically have been enamored with imported technology, imported stuff, and I have been privileged to work over last 12 years in clinical reference lab, which have been, I think, in a better situation to remain international in terms of practices and adaptation of technology than the other labs and even hospitals. Though we know that lab is and the diagnostics is a critical revenue earner for the hospital, but the structures which the reference labs have created in terms of quality, in terms of interfacing, delivery, they are quite advanced. So when we say a patient who gives a sample, say 1,000 kilometers from the main lab, is he getting a good result? Is he getting value for money? That we have to balance with the local lab, which is using maybe the technology, but has that lab adapted the technology? Has that lab the same quality control protocols, quality assurance systems inbuilt? Or, see, it is very easy to install and start a lab. Everything is available on rental. Anybody can start a lab. You need not be a technician, you need not be a trained doctor. And the thought is that I have the same machine, that big lab has the same machine, so my result is A is equal to B. But do we not need any other? Are the personnel not important? Are the processes not important? So when we compare, we also need to compare what processes have been built in the lab. What is the training level of the personnel? What is the training and competency of the doctor who is reporting? Then only we can talk and compare the result. That all comes at a cost, and I can give you a few instances what labs are doing. There is a lab which has a paperless operation. The result which comes from the instrument, it can be viewed directly by the customer in US as the result comes into the system. That is the level of transparency that IT can provide. So international customer need not be bothered about data integrity, data confidentiality. You make a change in the data, he will know. That is the type of IT support which is possible now. In routine testing, we are not bothered about these things. But eventually, whatever we are testing, it will be related to pharmaceutical testing. It will go for regulatory submission. So all these issues also labs have to address. So the quality of data is going to be the key. Our Indian customers, hospitals, doctors, they will all realize that a glucose test with good quality is what I am looking for. Not at X by 2 or X by 3 or 2X price. That is where we have to work, improve the awareness and communication. I would like to say one of the proudest movement of my life is when I was traveling in New York, the taxi driver said, "You Indian?" I said, "Yes." He said, "Great IT." And then he said, "Great doctors." Luckily, I was doctor, so I was happy. But in the diagnostics field, I think the great doctors have to use the great IT technologies available, make the systems transparent, make the system robust and rugged, and adapt to our uses. I think that is where the solution lies, and that is where the customer will get value for money.
Thank you.